Good evening, friends. Brandon here. You're watching the Scale Racing channel. Glad to have you with me tonight. We're going to be rolling Johnny Lightning, all trucks. This is going to be a quick 8 race. This is going to be one of 8 qualifying rounds that we're going to be doing for the Truck Championship race. Like all of my quick 8 races, we're going to open up each one of these trucks, take a good look at them. I'm going to weigh them in, and then I'm going to prep the wheels for action, and then load them up into this left-hand side of the bracket. Typically, when I run these guys out, I take the winner and I pit them up against our current gatekeeper, which is the Gold Hot Ones for Thunderbird. But this time, we're doing something a little bit different. We're going to take the winner of this round, and he's going to go in that top slot on the right-hand side of the bracket. And each subsequent qualifying round will populate the rest of those slots until we get 8 cars over here, and then that will start our final round. And the winner of the final round is going to be the overall truck champion and then go on to see the gatekeeper. So we've got Johnny Lightning tonight. Round number 2, we've got Hot Wheels. Round number 3, more Johnny Lightning. Round 4, Matchbox with one majorette thrown in that one. Round 5 is going to be more Johnny Lightning. Round 6, all Hot Wheels F-150s. We're going to steal that guy out of this 5-pack. Round 7, more Johnny Lightning. And I'm going to steal that Dodge truck out of that 3-pack. And those 3 trucks out of this 4-pack. That's a Monopoly 4-pack. Round 8, we're going to finish it up with one more round of Johnny Lightning trucks. Going after the Dodge and the Little Red Express out of this 10-pack. And then I've got 6 more trucks in here. I haven't decided which ones are going to be. I think it's going to be these top 6 are going to be mixed in with these guys for our 8. So if you're feeling extra froggy, tell me which one you think is going to take the overall out of the entire tournament. It's going to be tough. There's a lot of speed here. All right, that's all of them. Are you with me? Let's go. Truck number 1 is going to be the 1994 Custom Dodge Ram pickup out of the Mopar or No Car series. This one with a 2003 copyright date. This one coming in a 2-tone. Metallic red on top, white on the bottom. Full tampo work in the front and the rear. It's got a tonneau cover on the back. This one with a black painted metal base. This truck right here does have speed rings on the wheels. So I do have the track taped, so wheels are a little noisy on this one. Definitely gonna need some help. Weighing in 54.5 grams. Next truck, 1978 Dodge pickup. This one in the Monopoly series. This one has a copyright date of 2005. Comes with some Monopoly money. Playing piece. And here we go. This one has got thimble tampos on it. Okay. It's got kind of a dark chrome finish to it. Good looking truck. Of course, you've got the wood finish on the side and the tailgate. some pretty good detailing on this truck right here. Detail on the front. Definitely a metal base. It doesn't look like, yeah, it might be a chrome metal base. Nothing to write home about on that guy. 70.2 grams. 1962 Studebaker pickup truck. This one, the Coca-Cola Polar Bears version. And this truck right here has got some notoriety in the speed department. Looks to me like it says 2004 on the copyright date. That's what the back of the card looks like. And there she is. I believe this one has a hood that opens. Yeah, hood opens. Not a whole lot of detail in the engine compartment. Of course, you've got the Coca-Cola badging on the hood and the polar bears on the side. Metal body, metal base. Oh yeah. Oh, that looks good. Oh mama. Yep. 64.6 grams. This is the Torrance Terrors. I believe this is some kind of a, like a 1930 something like that Ford pickup truck. Does not say on the packaging what exactly it is. This one has a 2000 copyright date. Got flat black paint. Looks like it's got some primer repair spots on it. This is a Torrance Terrors. Got the two surfboards in the back. Pretty good grill detailing. A little bit in the back. It's got the 5-spoke deep dish wheels. Ooh. That one will need some work. Coming in at 60.4 grams. Next up, we got the Dodge Ram pickup truck in the Team Lightning series. This one with a year 2000 copyright date. All right, this one has blow pop livery.
Okay.
Dodge Ram's got the deep dish 5-spoke wheels. The hood does raise. Can't really see in there too well. It's got a pink bed. Metal body, metal base. Those roll pretty good. Not too bad on the wheel spin on the Dodge. 61 grams on this truck. This is a Lightning Speed El Camino. This one has a year 2000 copyright date, just like the Dodge truck. Comes with the sticker. All right, I believe that is what, a 1970? Doesn't say on the packaging. It's got kind of a like a metallic. Yeah, it's kind of a bluish green. Got detail work on the front. Nothing on the sides. You got the rear tempo work. Pretty good looking vehicle. Gold racing stripes just on the hood. This one with the 5-spoke wheels with the speed ring tires. Metal body, metal base. Those are going to need some work. 59.5 grams. This is the Monopoly Chevy Silverado. 2003, the copyright date on this one. Comes with a playing token. Kind of a light blue, very, very light gloss blue. Of course, you've got the, what is that, Virginia? I think it says Virginia Avenue card on the hood. Monopoly tampos on the side. Details in the front and the rear. Metal body, metal base. This one with the speed ring tires. And let's see here. Front roll's good. Come on, Johnny, get your act together. It's gonna need some work. 67.4 grams. Last truck in this one, 1950 Ford F1 from the Truck in America series. This one has a 1997 copyright date.
And this one's got decent wheels.
Nice truck, dark metallic green. It's got the deep dish 5-spoke wheels. Yep, hood raises on this guy. Detailing on the front. Nothing on the rear. We got a little black tonneau cover for the bed. This one does have a white interior. Metal body, metal base. That's not too bad. A little resonance here. All right, there you have them. Time for me to get busy and see if I can't free up some of these wheels.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
All right, I'm back. All the trucks have had their wheels worked with graphite, all with the exception of the Studebaker. The Studebaker rolled extremely well out of the package, so we're going to leave him alone. There's a few others in here that I need to make a couple small notes on. I think this is the 32 pickup. He has an extremely tight front axle, so it was hard to get a good roll out of this guy. And also, the sideboards are coming in contact with the side of the track before the actual wheels are. So I'm not expecting a really good showing out of him. And unfortunately, this guy right here, this tire right here actually comes in contact with some flashing on the wheel well on the body. So this wheel right here, not the best roller in the whole wide world. If this truck actually does really terrible, I will probably go ahead and remove the rivets and see if I can't get that wheel well clearanced out a little bit for a later day. But out of the package, he has a little bit of a problem. All the rest of them seem to roll fairly well. Okay, we're going to be running these trucks off 2 at a time, heads up, down this quarter-mile drag strip, and this is the order in which we'll be running them out today. Looking for at least a car length victory for a one and done. If I can't get a car length, we'll swap lanes. 2 distinct wins, we'll move that truck on to the next round. And if I can't get 2 distinct wins, we'll take a look at the video and see which truck has the bigger beat, and that one will be going on to the next round. In the final race, right here to determine the winner of this qualifying round, I want 2 distinct victories in order to crown the overall winner for tonight. And stick around after this is over with. I know it's going to go by pretty quick, and I'm a little curious about this. So we're going to run off some of these new in the package, brand new cars, and see if we've got any speed here. So make sure you stick around after the race is over with. We're going to be running these 6 at a time until we get an overall winner of this guy. So that ought to be pretty interesting. Let's go ahead and get this thing started. All right, here we go. Qualifier number 1, race number 1. On your marks, get set, go! Silverado took that one. Lane swap, Silverado with the advantage. On your marks, get set, go. Ooh. Dodge truck punches back. I believe he had the bigger beat on this one. Let's check the video. Dodge truck with the bigger beat in the second race. Moves on to round number 2. On your marks, get set, go! Yeah. F1 took that one handily. Kind of what I suspected with this guy. Like I said, he's got those speed brakes. You see them sideboards coming in contact with the side of the track before the front wheels do. F1 moves on to the next round. On your marks, get set, go! Oh, look at that Studebaker go. One and done, no problem. On your marks, get set, go. It's the later model Dodge taking that one. And I think this guy's gonna go under the knife. That one wheel doesn't turn worth a flip. Anyway, he moves on. Winners from round 1 on the right, losers on the left. Round number 2, on your marks, get set, go! Good race. Finish line calls the Dodge. Lane swap, Dodge truck with the advantage. On your marks, get set, go! Two wins, moves him on. On your marks, get set, go. Yes. Baker, no problem. Putting a gap on that Dodge truck. Moving on. Winners from round 2 on the right, losers on the left. Studebaker versus Dodge for the final. Final race of qualifier number 1. Remember, I want to see 2 distinct victories in order to crown the winner of this qualifier. On your marks, get set, go. Oh man. Go. Studebaker takes his first win. Lane swap, Studebaker with the advantage. On your marks, get set, go. Just blows him away. Go. Not even funny. Studebaker taking the win on that one. Taking the number 1 spot. Well, that went quick. Kind of thought it would. Let's dig into these guys, shall we? Let's see what we got here. We've got the new Roger Dodger in the 8-ball livery. Don't count on it. Okay. Subaru WRX STI. Out of the D case. 13 SRT Viper out of the 500 horsepower series. Toyota AE86 Sprinter Torino. This one out of a B case, but I've heard good things about it, so we're gonna give it a shot. And this is the Ford Shelby GT350R out of the 500 horsepower set. And finally the Lancia Delta Integrale. This one out of the D case. Let's get them cracked. Good looking group of cars here. I'm gonna run all of these down the track dry at first. 2 wins is going to basically win out of this grouping of 6. And I've got 2 more groupings of 6 to go after that. I think when I get down to a 3-car battle, go ahead, dust the wheels on them and see how they do with a little bit of graphite on it. On your marks, get set, go. Look at that. Toyota spanks the rest of that field. Lane swap. All these cars shifted 1 lane to the left, except for the car in lane number 6. He went to lane number 1. On your marks, get set, go. Interesting. Viper takes that one. Let's check out the video. Yeah, I think the Toyota may have slightly edged out the Viper just a little bit on that one race, but the Viper looks so good. We'll do some work on him. All right, next round, we've got the 1985 Honda CRX, Ford GT40 out of the C case, Honda out of the D case, 09 Pontiac GTO out of the D case, 17 Nissan GTR R35 out of the D case. Yeah, saw this one on Bobby D's. Custom V8 Vega from the Flying Customs. Honda Civic SI out of the C case. Let's get them cracked. All right, another group of good looking cars. Curious to see if that Vega has what it takes. On your marks, get set, go! Wow! What? GTR just dusted the field. Interesting. Lane swap, GTR with the advantage. On your marks, get set, go! Oh my goodness. This thing's turbocharged. Wins another one. All right, last 6. We got the Jaguar XE SV Project 8 in red. D case. Lethal Diesel. I'm kind of curious about this guy because of the size of the wheels, but he doesn't really weigh a lot. C case on him. 69 Chevelle 2 version. Out of the D case. This is the 89 Porsche 944 Turbo. Out of the C case. Heard good things about this. You can throw this one in here. The Loco Motorin. I like the wheels on this guy. He's got decent weight. We'll just have to see. And he is a D case. And the BMW M3 GT2. C case car. Let's get cracked. All right, we got 2 fantasy cars, 1 tune version. Ought to be interesting. On your marks, get set, go. It's a good race.
Winner, lane 3.
Chevelle takes the first one. All right, lane swap. On your marks. Get set. Go! Another tight race.
Winner, lane 4.
Tell those guys to slow down. They must be going 8,000 miles an hour.
Another win for the Chevelle. Nice. Let's make this interesting. We're going to run off 6 in the final. These guys are going to the speed shop. All right, they've all been dusted. All the wheels spin pretty well. Figured we'd go ahead and do this just for the heck of it. Toyota is 36.4 grams. The Viper, 32.4. GTR, 33.1. Honda, 40. 36.2 for the Chevelle. 39.9 for the Train. All right, here we go. Looking for 2 wins to crown the champion of the Mainlines. On your marks, get set, go! Good race. It's the Toyota taking the first one. Pretty impressive roll with those little bitty tires. All right, lane swap. Toyota with the advantage. On your marks, get set, go! GTR pulls off a win. Nice. Another lane swap. Toyota and the Nissan GTR both have a win. On your marks, get set, go! Ooh. Viper wants in on the party. All right, taking a look at the video, GTR actually nosed ahead of the Viper just a little bit on that last race. That makes him the champion of the Mainlines for tonight. Just in case you're curious, Nissan GTR landing right underneath the blown Camaro in the display case, just beating out the Boss Mustang. And Toyota right behind the Firebird. A little bit better than that black Porsche 928. And let's see here, we've got the Viper landing just a step above Kia Stinger, right below the Buick, laser wheel Buick. And the the Chevelle, right below the shoebox, right above the Matchbox Supra. All right, that's it for the first qualifier of the Truck Championship Tournament. We got the Studebaker sitting up top waiting for the rest of them. It's going to be interesting. Again, we're going to fill these guys up right here, find out who the number 1 is. He's got a little bit of waiting to do. Had fun running these trucks off today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like the content, please click the like button. Consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. And that's it for tonight. Y'all stay healthy. Have fun racing.